Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix USB pen drive not working or not showing in car stereo. As you can see in my USB pen drive, there are some audio songs, means my USB flash drive is 100% okay. But when I plug my USB to car stereo, it won't show. It is not even detecting my USB pen drive. No worries, now I'm gonna show you two methods to fix this issue. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. First method, if you have some data inside your USB flash drive, just copy that data into any safe partition of your hard disk. You will need it again when we will make some changes in USB flash drive. When USB data is moved to another safe partition, just right click on it and click on format. Here in my USB flash drive, file system selected here is exFAT. We need to change it and keep FAT32 default settings. We need to keep this file systems always to FAT32 default. Now we need to quick format USB by clicking on start. After formatting USB, copy your USB data again in your USB and insert in your car stereo. This method works some of the times, but this method didn't work for me. Now I'm going to show you the second method that worked for me actually. But before this method, you need to format your USB pen drive to FAT32 default as I have shown you already in my first method. Method number 2. On your system, we need to install this software, Rufus, on our PC or laptop. I have already downloaded and installed it on my system. You need to visit this website rufus.ie. This is the interface of this software. Little bit scrolling down, you will see the download links. Select download link related to your Windows version, 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. Simply download and install it on your system. It is very small in size. I have already downloaded and installed, so I am not downloading. When you install this software, don't open it. First we need to attach USB on our system, on which we are going to make some changes. As you can see, I am connected with USB. So I am now opening this Rufus software by run as administrator. This is the interface of this software, showing my USB device label. Keep all these settings as it. Don't make any change. We need to change only and only one setting. Just see carefully. In a boot selection, we have to select Free DOS. Then click on Start and format your USB. Agree and click OK. Wait for all this process to complete. After this, now I am copying my audio files to this USB. We are done. Now I am in my car and inserting this USB in my USB car stereo. As you can see here, all songs of my USB drive can be seen. Now my USB is working properly in my car stereo. Let me know in the comment section which method works for you. For more tech videos like this, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.